What is a micro academy? It's more than a classroom. It's a movement toward personalized, learner-centered education. A micro academy is a small, flexible learning community where curiosity, creativity, and connection drive growth. Instead of hundreds of students, micro academies focus on relationships, typically 5 to 25 learners guided by caring mentors. Learning comes alive through hands-on projects, outdoor exploration, and real-world problem solving. Micro academies can operate anywhere: homes, churches, community centers, or online. The goal? Learning that fits the child, not the system. Modern tools help personalize learning, blending heart, innovation, and creativity. Micro academies build trust, character, and confidence, strengthening families and communities from the inside out. Ready to design your own micro academy? Join Lesson 1 and begin your journey toward learner-centered education.